to download Ergo wallet and Aneta wallet on Android phone. So we will open Play Store. We will type Ergo wallet. We will click on install. So finally it's installed, so we will open it. So here we will see three options: create a new wallet, restore our old wallet from a mnemonic phrase or seed phrase, or restore or add a new wallet, only read only wallet. We cannot transfer fund from that wallet. So we will create a new wallet. Here you can see the price of Ergo. So we will create a new wallet. So it has generated 15 words mnemonic seed phrase. So you have to written it down carefully. So you cannot see what on screen because it's mnemonic seed phrase, and on while screen recording it shows black screen. So sorry for that. So here we have to write from our mnemonic phrase what's the sixth word and what's the 11th word. It will ask randomly, so we'll write it down. You have to tick on it and done. So here it has generated so here it has generated a public address, and here we can choose how to save our wallet keys from our password encrypted, or we have to save this on this device. So I will click on save on password encrypted. You can choose any of these options as you want. So you can create a password. And finally we have created a wallet. So you can see more detail. Here you will show your asset when you will send it to this address. So it's your barcode, and this is our public address. And you can send to another address. So we have paste the address and amount. Fees is 0.001 only. And that's it. And we can create multiple wallets if we want, and we can run multiple wallets from same app. Now we will see how to download Aneta wallet. We will type Aneta wallet. I will also paste a link in the description for you to directly download from the Play Store. So we will click on open. It's the same, it's a fork of Ergo wallet and Aneta wallet, so the process is same for creating a new wallet and restoring the wallet. So here we will restore our old wallet which we have generated on our Ergo wallet. So here we have to type mnemonic phrase and seed phrase. I will write it down. So again it has generated us so it has restored our old wallet address, and we can save this password from password encrypted or into this device. So save device in that time will ask for a fingerprint scan or a phone password. So it has, yeah, we can see your wallet address, and here we can send Ergo or another asset to someone. So it is also 0.001 Ergo. So that's all for this. Thank you.